Hi everyone. Well, I'm shooting this video for my friend Ben over at Benz Trains. He had asked me if I did one of his push button connectors for putting lights in a Marx car to shoot a video. So here it is. This is that caboose that a while back, not too long ago, I illuminated. And Ben suggested using this type of connector. It's just a dresser drawer attached to about a 2-inch 8/32 screw with a wall anchor acting as an insulator put through a hole in the car, and very close another sheet metal screw used for the ground wire. Then you run the two wires to the light bulb, and this connector then you see moves up and down and provides contact with the center rail. Very easy to do, takes about 2 minutes, and you have a lighted car, and it will work with any car, as Ben said, whether it's metal or plastic, Lionel, Marx, whatever, this works. So I'm going to turn the power on, let you see, and you see there's virtually no drag, and it's flicker free. I'll hook it up to the consist, and we'll let it run, and I'll let you see how it performs. So I let her go. I'll get the camera off the tripod, and you can see flicker free, runs around the track with no trouble whatsoever. Very easy and quick way to put a light into any Marx or Lionel car. As you see, there it goes, nice and bright, flicker free. You couldn't ask for anything better and anything easier to do. So thank you again, Ben, for showing this, and I thank you all for watching it. That's it. If you want to know more, you can go to benztrains.com, and look under Ben's push button Ben's button contactor. It's very simple to do. Just a dresser drawer, metal dresser drawer knob with a threaded screw in it, wall anchor for an insulator, plastic wall anchor, and you're ready to go. And there it is. We'll bring it around to a stop, and I'll let you see how it looks with the body on. Okay. One more time. Okay. Quickly, and here you can see how it looks lit up. So it's very nice lit up and really very easy to do. Ben's button dresser drawer center rail contactor for lighting any car. I hope you enjoy this, and as always, Ben, thank you for your tips, and please keep watching.